In this lesson, we will look at our first place feature by applying a fillet to the steering wheel plate. I will continue to use the FSAE steering wheel 3 file, but I will reactivate the steering wheel base plate component. From the Modify pull-down, select the Fillet tool. With the Fillet tool active, we will select the internal corners of the 4 holes that go all the way through the model. This is made much easier by the ability of Fusion 360 to just select edges through the solid geometry without having to reorient the model in the canvas. With the edges selection, I can click and drag the arrow to get a preview of what the applied fillet will look like and get an idea of whether or not the radius range will calculate. For this design, I'll enter 0.5 for the radius and press enter to generate the fillet features. To place the next set of fillets, press the F key on the keyboard, which is the default keyboard shortcut for fillet. We'll select the 2 outside vertical edges and apply a radius of 1.25 inches and select OK. Now, let's rotate the model to see what the fillets look like. We can also select the top of the view cube if you want. Now, we can save the file, entering fillets added to the version description and clicking OK to save it.